नमामि शारदां देवी वीणापुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तु मे प्रसन्नास्तु स सदा. Hello students, we are going to start with part 3 of trigonometry. Now today we are going to start with practice set, because in last two parts we have studied only basic formulas and we have derived some formulas of trigonometry, that is called as what? Identities. So I will just revise what we have studied, what is required for your board examination, and students, we can write that formulas on the last paper of your board examination also. So we'll see that which formula we have studied in beginning. So we have studied one family, that is sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, and we know that sine theta is what? Opposite side of an angle upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is cos ratio was adjacent side of an angle upon hypotenuse, and tan was opposite side upon adjacent side of a triangle. And second family we have studied is sec theta is hypotenuse upon opposite side of an angle. Then sec ratio is hypotenuse upon adjacent side of an angle, and cot is hypotenuse adjacent side upon opposite side of an angle. Then we have studied, we have derived some formula that they are reciprocal of each other. That's why sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1, and cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1, and sec theta into cot theta is equal to 1. But from this first formula, we have derived that sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, and cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. That we keep in mind. Even for second one, cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, and sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. But that we have derived from here only. So this is important thing, and ये थोड़ा याद रखोगे तो better रहेगा. Okay. Then second very important formula was tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. These two formulas are very important. That we had studied about. The third formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And from here we have derived two more formulas, और उसको डेरिवेटिव करके करो. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. At the last, we have derived two more formulas, that is tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. तो आप लोगों को बोर्ड एग्जाम में जाते वक्त लास्ट पेज पे ये फॉर्मूला जिस तरह से मैंने लिखे वो लिखे रखो विद पेंसिल, बिकॉज दैट विल हेल्प यू. तुम्हें तो आते हैं लेकिन ये आपके साथ रहेंगे तो विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट. ओके, सो एवरी टाइम you have first, or you can write on one page and you can keep it with this, because while solving the problem it will help you. Okay, so I think you understood this. What is the first formula? Sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1. So sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec, cosec is equal to 1 upon sin, and cos into sec is equal to 1, means cos is equal to 1 upon sec theta, and sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Then tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, and tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So these things we are going to write every time, तो आपको ये formulas याद रहेंगे. Now we are on the practice set 6.1. And we are going to do first question. First they have given that if sin theta is equal to 7 upon 25 and they have asked to find the value of cos theta and tan theta. These type of questions we did in 9th standard also. For that what we did, sin theta is equal to 7 upon 25, sin theta is equal to 7k upon 25k. K is constant, that value we have substituted in the figure. That way also we can do it, but it will take little bit time. उससे अच्छा ये identities करते हैं. That is the first method and I am going to do the second method. If you are very comfortable with that method, you can go for it. Okay? So, but I am going to do with help of what? Identities. So, solution. What they are given to you? Sin theta is equal to 7 upon 25. It is given. Now, what they have asked you? They have asked you the value of cos theta. Cos theta. So we have to find out that formula. We have to use that identities which showing the relation between sin theta and cos theta. So see here it is the relation between sin and cos sec, cos and sec. तो हमें sin और cos का चाहिए. यहाँ है sin cos, but यहाँ tan भी है, वो नहीं चलेगा. Yeah, this is the thing. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So what you are going to write as we know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. But I have to find out the value of cos square theta. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Therefore, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 7 upon 25 the whole square. I can write from 1. Therefore, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 49 upon 625. Here we have to take 1 upon 1 only. And therefore, what I can write, sin square theta is equal to 1 into 625 minus 49 into 1 upon 1 into 625. So, I made a mistake here. It will be cos square theta. Here, so cos square theta. Here it is cos square theta. Therefore, cos square theta is equal to 625 minus 49 upon 625. Therefore, cos square theta is equal to 15 minus 9 is 6. 12 minus 5 is 15 minus 9 is 6, and we are getting 576. 576 minus 625. Therefore, taking square root or taking square root, cos theta is equal to under root 576 upon 625. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 24 upon 25. So we got the value of cos theta. Now, we have to find out the value of tan theta. Again, we are going to write as tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, and sin theta is 7 upon 25 and cos theta is 24 upon 25. So 25 get cancelled, and what you are getting is tan theta is equal to 7 upon 24. So this is your answer. So what is your answer we can write? Answer is cos theta is equal to 24 by 25 and tan theta is equal to 7 upon 25. This you have to put in a box, and that is your final answer. I think you understood it properly. So उसको एक बार नहीं है तो एक बार और एक बार समझ लो and copy down it properly by pausing the video. Now you're on the second question. What they have asked you, tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Find the value of sec theta and cos theta. So solution. They have given tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. I will take it as equation 1. Okay, and what they have asked you, sec theta. So we have to find out the relation which is showing the formula, which is showing the relation between tan theta and sec theta. See here, it is no relation between tan theta and sec theta. Tan theta का नहीं है यहाँ पे, ये फॉर्मूला है देखो, tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. So we can apply that formula. We are going to write as we know. What we know? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Therefore, 1 plus 3 upon 4 square is equal to sec square theta from 1. So, therefore, what I can write, 1 plus 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16 is equal to sec square theta. Now again, plus sign is there, nothing is there, means what you are going to take as a 1 as a denominator, we have to cross multiply it. How will we cross multiply it? 1 into 16 plus 9 into 1 upon 1 into 16 is equal to sec square theta. Therefore, what will happen? 16 plus 9 upon 16 is equal to sec square theta. So 9 plus 16 is equal to 25 upon 16 is equal to sec square theta. Therefore, sec square theta is equal to 25 upon 16. We are going to take taking square root. But I'll get sec theta is equal to under root 25 upon 16. Therefore, sec theta is equal to 5 upon 4. So we got the value of sec theta is equal to 5 upon 4. अब देखो हमारे पास tan theta था, अब sec theta मिल गया. अब हमें निकालना है cos theta. तो cos theta का रिलेशन tan theta या sec theta के साथ बहुत इजी है क्या? So you can say that ये रिलेशन बहुत इजी है. Got it now? So what I'll do? As we know, cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Therefore, cos theta into 5 upon 4 is equal to 1. And cos theta is equal to a multiply will become 5 by 4 if I translate on this side. So what I am getting is cos theta is equal to 4 upon 5. Put therefore sign properly and we are going to write answer as sec theta is equal to 5 by 4 and cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. You put in the box. And this is your answer. I think it is here. Understood it properly. How to judge it? Once again, I'll tell you. We have got the value of tan theta is 3 upon 4. What they have asked you sec theta. तो हमें देखना है कि कौन सा फॉर्मूला या कौन सी आइडेंटिटी इसके लिए सुटेबल है. तो हमें मत देगा कि tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. sec square का थीटा का वैल्यू निकल जाएगा. तो sec वही फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करके हमने sec theta निकाला. अब प्रॉब्लम है कि cos theta कैसे निकलेगा. अगेन वी हैव टू चेक दैट व्हिच फार्मूला इज शोइंग द रिलेशन बिटवीन tan theta और sec theta, सॉरी tan theta एंड cos theta और sec theta एंड cos theta. तो हमें मालूम पड़ा cos और sec का सबसे इजी फार्मूला है. वी गॉट द आंसर. दिस वे वी हैव टू थिंक एंड ये फार्मूला बहुत कम फार्मूलाज है, इमीडिएटली याद हो जाएंगे. वो करके हम ये क्वेश्चंस करने हैं. कॉपी डाउन इट प्रॉपर्ली बाय पॉजिंग द वीडियो. नाउ सी द सेकंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन. थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज वेरी सिमिलर टू द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. अब देखेंगे तो क्या दिया है, cot theta is equal to 40/9 and find the value of cosec theta and sin theta they have asked. So we'll to start doing it. Solution. What I will do? Cot theta is equal to 40/9 is 1. It is d1. After doing that, cot theta is there, and they are asked to the cosec theta. Again, they have to go through this all the formulas. Then we'll come to know this is the formula which is very suitable for it. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So we are going to write as we know 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Therefore, 1 plus 40/9 the whole square is equal to cosec square theta from 1. Therefore, 1 plus 4 का स्क्वायर इज 16, एक 0 की जगह 2 0 और यह आएगा 81 इज इक्वल टू cosec square theta. Now it is upon 1. 1 into 81 plus 1600 into 1 upon 1 into 81 is equal to cosec square theta. This 81 plus 1600 is equal to 81 is cosec square theta. And we are getting 1681 upon 81 is equal to cosec square theta. Therefore, cosec square theta is equal to 1681 upon 81. But students, in trigonometry, 99% they are giving a proper triads of Pythagorean triads. तो अगर आपने देखा 1681 है, लास्ट में कितना है 1 है, तो 1 किसका स्क्वायर रहता है, 1 का स्क्वायर इज 1 या फिर 9 का स्क्वायर इज 81 में लास्ट में 1 आता है. तो 1600 के बाद 41 पॉसिबिलिटी है कि वो स्क्वायर हो जाए. तो आप लोग चेक कर सकते हैं 41 1 इज व्हाट, इन दिस वे वी कैन डू इट. सो wait 4 and this one, so 1861, we got the answer, right? It is this way we have to check it, otherwise then you have to find out the factors. Okay, therefore taking square root, so what you are getting is ये कट कर देते हैं. Okay, तो cosec theta is equal to under root 1681 upon 81. तो cosec theta is equal to 41 upon 9. So we got the value of cosec theta is equal to 41 upon 9. Then again we got cosec theta. अभी हमें निकालना है sin theta. We have to find out which formula is suitable. So I think this is more suitable one. Which one? Cosec. First one formula. So what you are going to write as we know. Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Therefore, sin theta into 41 upon 9 is equal to 1. Therefore, sin theta is equal to 1 into 9 upon 41. So, sin theta is equal to 9 by 41. So your answer is cosec theta is equal to 41 upon 9 and sin theta is equal to 9 upon 41 is your final answer that you are going to put in the box. Now if you are not understood it properly, you can rewind the video and you can check it. Okay, then you pause the video and copy down it properly. Now see the fourth question. If 5 sec theta minus 12 cos sec theta is equal to 0, find the value of sec theta, cot theta, tan theta. अब आप लोग थोड़े से कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं बिकॉज आपके इसके पहले वाले क्वेश्चंस में एक पर्टिकुलर रेशियो का वैल्यू दिया था, बट इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इक्वेशन और फिर ये रेशियोज पूछे हुए हैं. तो बट डोंट टेक टेंशन, इट इज वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. हाउ टू डू इट आई टेल यू. सॉल्यूशन क्या दिया है तुम्हें? 5 sec theta minus 12 cos sec theta is equal to 0. It is given. Okay, we are going to utilize this. Okay, therefore अब हमें क्या करना है? हमें एक रेशियो निकालना है. बट हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द रेशियो? आई टेल यू. 5 sec theta इज इक्वल टू, मैं 12 को यहाँ 12 cos sec theta को यहाँ लेके आओ तो 0 plus 12 cos sec theta is 12 cos sec theta only. Got it? So we got the ratio of cos sec and sec. तो ऐसे वक्त पे अगर ये सेकेंड फैमिली के मेंबर है, स्पेशली cos sec और sec, उसको आप लोग फर्स्ट फैमिली में कन्वर्ट करोगे बाय यूजिंग दिस फार्मूलाज. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ sec theta, I can use this and this formula. Okay. Instead of sec theta, what I can write is 5 into 1 upon cos theta. Okay. And here, instead of cos sec theta, what I can do is 12 up into 1 upon sin theta. You can write the reason और उसको उल्टा since बोलते हैं. Since sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta and cos sec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. That here we have given that values from here. So what I got is 5 upon cos theta is equal to 12 upon sin theta. Now what I can do is I can cross multiply it. If I cross multiply it, 5 into sin theta is equal to 12 into cos theta. Got it? So what I can do is sin theta, और ये अगर वापस लेके जाओ तो बन जाएगा cos theta और ये बन जाएगा 12 upon 5. बिकॉज इन दोनों के बीच में इंटू साइन है, it become divide by. So what is sin theta upon cos theta is nothing but tan theta is equal to 12 upon 5. Here, since sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta, this formula we apply. Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. So we got the value of tan theta, but they have not asked the value of tan theta. What they have asked you? Sec theta. So do you have any formula which is showing the relation between tan theta and sec theta? Yes, यही formula है वो, right? So what is the formula? As we know, what we know, tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. And instead of tan square theta, I can give it as equation 1. So what I can write is 12 upon 5 the whole square plus 1 is equal to sec square theta from 1. So 12 upon 5 the whole square. 12 square is 144 and 5 square is 25 plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Again we have to cross multiply it. 144 into 1 plus 1 into 25 upon 25 into 1 is equal to sec square theta. So what you got is 144 plus 25 upon 25 is sec square theta. So 144 plus 25 is 169 upon 25 is equal to sec square theta. Or I can write sec square theta is equal to 169 upon 25. We are going to write taking square root. But I get sec theta is equal to under root 169 upon 25. So what we got is sec theta is equal to 13 upon 5. We got the first answer. Again, what is the relation between sec theta and cot theta? So sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1. We can write as sec theta into cos theta, or 3. Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 13 upon 5 is equal to 1. So we got cos theta is equal to 5 upon 13. ये इसका रेसिप्रोकल होता है. 13 upon 5 की जगह में क्या आएगा? 5 upon 13. So students, now we have to find out one more ratio, that is tan theta, that I'll explain you, but we'll do it once again. See, fourth question, 5 sec theta minus 12 cos sec theta is equal to 0. Find the value of sec theta, cos theta and sin theta. तो ये तो हमें कोई रेशियो नहीं दिया है, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो की वैल्यू नहीं दी थी, इक्वेशन दिया. तो मैंने क्या किया, 12 cos sec theta को उधर ट्रांसफर किया, बिकम 12 cos sec theta. फिर हमने sec theta की जगह पे 1 upon cos और cos sec की जगह पे 1. हमेशा जब हमें कन्वर्ट करना है तो ये आपकी सेकेंड फैमिली को फर्स्ट फैमिली में कन्वर्ट करो. तो वी गॉट 5 upon cos sec theta, 12 upon sin theta. फिर मैंने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 5 into sin theta, 12 into cos sec theta. तो sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 12 upon 5. बस sin theta upon cos है tan theta. तो लेकिन इन्होंने tan पूछा ही नहीं है. क्या पूछा है? sec theta पूछा है. तो apply the formula of tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. We got the value of sec theta is 13 upon 5. Then we have to find out the value of cos theta. Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. We got the value of cos theta is equal to 5 upon 13. So student, you do one thing. Up to here, please copy down it properly by pausing the video. So students, we got the value of sec theta and cos theta. Now we have to find out the value of sin theta. अब या तो हमें ये फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं cos. Okay, even we got the value of tan theta also, correct? So that is easy formula. Now we can apply that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. वैसा भी हो सकता है. कौन सा फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर सकते हैं? tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta अप्लाई करो. या we got the value of cos theta, we can apply the formula of sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So which one you have to apply now? Okay, we'll apply this one only. Okay, so as therefore, what was the value of tan theta? It was 12 upon 5. Sin theta, I don't know, as we know. तो tan theta का वैल्यू तो 12 upon 5 था, sin theta is there. Cos theta का वैल्यू है 5 upon 13. Therefore, 12 upon 5 into 5 upon 30 is equal to sin theta. 5 8 cancel. So sin theta is equal to 12 upon 30. This is the value of sin theta. So we got all the values and then we are going to write as the answer. First we find out sec theta. Sec theta is 13 upon 5. Then we got the value of cos theta. Cos theta is 5 upon 13. Sec theta 5 upon 13. And sin theta is nothing but 12 upon 30. Then we are going to put in a box and copy down it now. Okay, properly. Put there for sign also and put representation. Copy down it. Fifth question. They are given tan theta is equal to 1 and find the value of sin theta plus cos theta upon sec theta plus cos sec theta. ये क्वेश्चन काफी इजी है बट थोड़ा सा लेंदी है. ओके, We'll go slowly for this solution. What you got? Tan theta is equal to 1. I will take it as what? D1. We'll divide this into two parts. Okay, we'll see that how to do it. Tan theta is equal to 1. Now, we have to find out all these values, sin theta, cos theta, sec theta, cosec theta. तो हमें सब values निकालनी है. तो first of all we find out sec theta because we are having a relation of tan square theta plus sec square theta. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. So we are going to write as we know tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Therefore, tan square theta is 1 the whole square plus 1 is equal to sec square theta from 1. So, 1 square is 1 plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Got it? So, this becomes 2 is equal to sec square theta. Then sec square theta is equal to 2. Then we are going to write taking square root. I'll get sec theta is equal to root 2. That is equation 2 now. So we got the value of sec theta. और ये चारों में से कौन सी वैल्यू इजीली निकाल सकते हैं? तो sec और cosec is equal to 1 है. तो by using this formula we can find out the value of what? Cos theta. So what we are going to write as we know cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. So what will happen now? Therefore cos theta into root 2 is equal to 1 or cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 2 is equation 2. So we got that is equation 3. So we got the value of cos theta. Sec theta मिला, cos theta मिला. अभी हम दोनों का वैल्यू निकालना है, sin और cosec का. तो cos और sin वाला एक रिलेशन अपने पास है, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We are going to apply that formula. As we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Therefore, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta is 1 upon root 2 the whole square. Therefore, what will happen now? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 1 का square is 1 and root 2 का square बनता है 2. So I will take it as 2. 1 upon 1. Therefore, what I can write then sin square theta is equal to 1 into 2 minus 1 into 1 upon 1 into 2. Therefore, sin square theta is equal to 2 minus 1 upon 2. Therefore, sin square theta is equal to 1 upon 2. We are going to write taking square root. What I'll get? Sin theta is equal to root of 1 upon 2. So sin theta is equal to 1 का root तो 1 निकलता है. 2 is not a perfect square, become 1 upon root 2. And your answer is equation 4. This is that. Got it now? So we got value of sec theta, cos theta and sin theta. So now we have found value of last value is cosec theta. अब cosec के लिए sin और cosec का relation है. Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Again we are going to write as we know. What is that? Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. So sin theta is 1 upon root 2 into cosec theta is equal to 1. Therefore, cosec theta is equal to 1 into root 2 upon 1 and cosec theta is equal to root 2. So we got all the values, and I'll give it equation 5. So we got all the values of what? Sin theta, cos theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Got it? So now we are going to find out this value. What is that? Sin theta plus cos theta into this. So now what I'm going to do is, therefore, now we are going to write sin theta plus cos theta sec theta plus cosec theta is equal to, what is the value of sin theta? 1 upon root 2 plus cos theta is again 1 upon root 2. Sec theta is root 2 और ये बन जाएगा root 2. So now if you consider this part, denominator is same, I write root 2 यहाँ होगा 1 plus 1 और root 2 plus root 2 का वैल्यू आ जाता है 2 root 2. You should be very careful while doing calculation. अगर silly mistake हो गया तो अपने मार्क्स निकल जाएंगे. Therefore, sin theta plus cos theta upon sec theta plus cosec theta is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 upon root 2 upon 2 root 2. But यहाँ हम लोग लेंगे upon 1. यहाँ कोई डिनोमिनेटर नहीं, हम लोग क्या? See, this is the one part. ये न्यूमरेटर में डिनोमिनेटर है, ये डिनोमिनेटर का ये डिनोमिनेटर नहीं था, हमने 1 ले लिया. तो what I can write is 2 root 2. इसका मतलब होता है डिवाइड बाय 2 root 2 upon 1. So 2 root 2 into 1 upon 2 root 2 is there. In such case, this 2 get cancelled. 1 into 1 is 1 and root 2 into root 2 is 2. Got it now? So your final answer is sin theta plus cos theta upon sec theta plus cosec theta is equal to 1 upon 2 is the final answer. See once again, इक्वेशन थोड़ा सा अलग है, हमें बहुत सारी वैल्यूज निकाल के उसकी इसकी वैल्यू निकालनी थी. तो वी आर हैविंग अ वैल्यू ऑफ tan theta इज इक्वल टू 1 और मुझे चारों रेशियो की वैल्यू निकालनी थी. तो व्हाट आई डिड, फर्स्ट आई नो दैट देयर इज रिलेशन बिटवीन tan theta एंड sec theta, तो मैंने sec theta निकाला. sec theta से मेरे लिए cos theta बहुत इजी था, मैंने cos theta निकाला. बट अगेन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट वन ऑफ द वैल्यू, तो मेरे लिए ये फार्मूला ठीक लगा, sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1. And not necessarily कि मैं जिस तरह से जा रहा हूं वैसे ही जाओ. You can apply other formulas also, and if you are getting this value, you can apply it. So we got the value of sin theta. Sin theta के बाद मेरे लिए easy formula था to find out cosec theta. I got all the 4 values. Then I put in this sin theta plus cos theta and cos theta upon. You can write here from 2, 3, 4 and 5. From 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then I solve it. But यहाँ पे please care करो 1 plus 1 is 2 upon root 2 and यहाँ 2 root 2 is there. तो मैंने क्या किया, इसको सेपरेट किया और डिनोमिनेटर को सेपरेट. डिनोमिनेटर का ये डिनोमिनेटर नहीं था इसलिए 1 लिया. डिनोमिनेटर का मतलब क्या होता है, डिवाइड बाय. तो 2 upon root 2 डिवाइड बाय 2 root 2 upon 1. डिवाइड बाय का मतलब उल्टा मल्टीप्लाई होता है. तो 1 upon 2 root 2. 2 got cancelled. 1 into 1 is 1. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. This is the answer. Okay. This is the very important question for calculation wise as well as board के लिए भी important question है. It can be asked for 4 marks. To do it properly. If you are not getting it, pause एक बार वापस रिवाइंड करो वीडियो को, वापस अच्छी तरह से देख लो. Now you pause the video, copy down it properly, and now for this part we are going to stop it here only for part 3 and we continue in next part. Okay, thank you students.